don't allow wrist straps.
Selfie sticks.
Huh?
Selfie sticks.
Or selfie sticks. Here we go.
The roughest launch in the world.
The roughest launch in the world. Where is he?
Put your head back, it's gonna hurt. Except from that little bit,
so that was Anubis, and that is one kicky launch.